Alright, I'm here at the pond. I'm trying something a little bit different today. I found the rod and reel that I used as a kid in my dad's basement. I'll show a close-up video of it. It's a Ted Williams Sears reel, Spincast, and this Shakespeare, I think it's a fiberglass rod. It's real whippy. Drag is broken, I think, on this thing. This rod and reel hasn't been used in over what do I want to say, probably 30-40 years. The only thing I did is I did put new line on it because I believe the line was that old too. I'm not even sure if this rod and reel is going to work. I did bring a backup just in case it doesn't work, but I'm going to try and catch a bass on this thing, and I've rigged up an old school curly tail worm. So let's see if I can catch a bass on my childhood rod. I just got back from the pond, trying to fish with, I think this reel is from the 60s. It was my dad's and then handed down to me, and the rod, I'm guessing, is from the 70s. So, fishing with pretty old equipment. I hooked one small bass, and the drag came unstuck, and of course it was set way too loose. I'm trying to tighten it and fight this thing, and it was little too, but it was pulling it out. And lost it next to the shore. And then I continued to fish, and the handle crumbled on me. So I don't know if I can fix it, if even bother to. I mean, I do have a lot of memories of this rod, so I may see. I got a buddy who's a rod builder. Maybe he can help me get that fixed. But anyway, made me really appreciate modern equipment. So yeah, don't fish with old stuff if you can afford some new stuff. I'm not even talking great. Just, I think newer equipment will make your day much more enjoyable. Anyway, hope everybody had a great Labor Day weekend, and fish on. Fish on.